Hi, I'm Jade Stevenson from Yugo Fleet, and welcome to the Pool Car Pinpad tutorial. Each of your pool vehicles are fitted with a Pinpad on the dash. It's to the right of the steering wheel. This Pinpad is used as a unique identifier for you as a driver or operator of the vehicle. You will need to enter a code into this Pinpad before you can start the vehicle. To use the Pinpad, turn the ignition switch to the on position. You will hear four beeps in descending order 5 times. You do not need to wait for these beeps to finish before you begin entering your code. To enter your code, simply press the asterisk to begin with, then enter the 4-digit unique code to you. You'll see the lights go out on the pin pad and you are able to start the vehicle. This must happen within 30 seconds of entering your code. When you arrive at your destination and turn the ignition off, you'll notice that the asterisk on the pin pad glows solid red. After about 5 seconds, you'll hear a long beep and a flashing asterisk to let you know that the pin pad's deactivated. If you enter the incorrect pin into the pin pad, you'll notice it makes a noise and the pin pad stays lit up. Again, emits a noise and the pin pad stays lit up. Asterisk again into the correct code, you'll hear the noise and you're able to start the vehicle. We understand that this process is new, but after some time, you should get it as normal. If you have any questions, feel free to ask your administrator or please get in contact with us here at Yugo Fleet. We'll be happy to help. Thanks very much. Have a great day.